Is it started or what? I don't know. And why it's looking little blurry, I don't know. Now it's fine. But still, comments will appear here. Okay. So I guess this will be the section where the comments will appear. Okay. We'll wait for some time. Let's see who all people are joining now, and we'll first speak to them. Okay. So that is very much necessary. So there is one eye. So one people will be there. I don't know. Yeah, it's taking time. Two people are there. So the thing is, we are doing this session laugh out loud, very much loud. The way I speak, that is very much loud. Okay, so the people, we are starting with this session in collaboration with Metro Junction Mall, which is in Kalyan. Okay, so I'll be doing this session with them, and you people all will enjoy. Okay, so the thing is, and it is very much serious, people, that you have to sit at home. It's very much serious, and after sitting at home, you just have to switch it on. You can switch it on and you can watch it live. Live. That is very much easy. Okay. So I'll be speaking to all the people. Now I am watching Salman Sheikh is joining some hands like this. Yeah. So there is a wave also. These all things are very much new to me, because you know what, in our era, in our time, in our period, these all things were not happening. So some Vaishali Kodke Singh is there, right? She said hello. Yeah, that is a hello from me now. How are you? Doing good? Yeah. So we all are doing good, that I know. But as per the rules and regulations, we have to sit at home. Okay. So people, once again I'll be telling you that I'm doing this session with collaboration with Metro Junction Mall. Okay. Collaboration. COLLABORATION, collaboration. It was very much easy to understand, right? I know. Okay, people. So tell me, how is your lockdown going on? Yeah. Yeah. So all are just watching. No one is saying anything. Should I start then? हेलो, बच्चा लोग, हम शुरू करें क्या? Yeah. Okay, so there are several things we have to keep in mind. Salman Sheikh give me this. Yeah, that is a very much good sign, victory like, and I feel happy. Okay. So am I audible to you all? Just shake some hands or something, just wave and like do something like that. So I'll get to know that you people can hear me live. Am I clear to you? Am I audible? Yeah. So people, there are several things going on. You know what? Yeah. I got one message that yes, I'm audible. So there are several things that people should know. That you know what? So some animals, they came out after the lockdown which had happened. I guess that was a Sunday. I guess if I'm not wrong, correct me. Okay, if I'm wrong, then I guess it was Sunday that people all came out. No, the animals all came out. Yeah. Lockdown is going like lockdown only. That was very much nice by Salman Sheikh. Okay, so I was saying that all animals came out, and they were thinking. Yeah, they were thinking because they were looking at all the society buildings. They were looking at them. That what happened? Where are all? No one is there. No one is hitting us with stones. No one is like, shoo, 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 go away, don't come near to us. No one is coming to us to do that. Hello, how are you, bacha, how are you? That they do not to our the doggies and all. So they were not doing anything. So animals were confused and they were looking up on all the buildings and they were thinking, what happened? We are all out and these people are caged. They were inside, they were caged. No one else coming out. And this was such a happy moment for all the animals. They were so much happy. I am telling you, even I was happy. So this was all things happening. Then you know what? And one of the time that two dogs were running, and I've heard other dog was telling to that some other dog that run, ghanta kadiya. Oh my God! And they were running. They didn't know that all were that hitting thalis and all. They got confused. They thought ghanta gadi is there. I'm telling you, these all things are happening. Yes, people. So 7 people are there. So far everything is going good. I got one. So people, you should know when you are staying at home, you should stay hydrated. Yeah, you have to keep drinking water. I don't know about you because I am now live, so I'll be drinking that water now. See. So these all things is very much important and you should focus on all these things. Okay, bachcha lo. So how many people are there now? Okay. So these all things are very much necessary that we have to focus on. Okay. And apart from that, I will be telling you from my experience which I have seen many of the times. So the things were like many people they said that I am so tired. I am telling you, I am so tired. Okay, bachcha log. So bachcha log, you are a good people. That's why you are listening to me keenly, and I'll guide you. Don't worry. Whenever you feel something like you are locked down or something, you can directly call me. Facebook और का इधर ही बात करेंगे हम लोग. Okay. So all these news are coming. Keep on coming. So many of the people they started working from home, right? So what they do, they just switch on the camera like this. So they just sit in front of camera, and while doing that office calls, they started cutting bhindi because no one can see what they're doing. So they started cutting bhindi and all. So why is office call is also there and homework was also there. Both the things were there. And apart from that, some people were like, कितना काम है घर पे, कितना काम रहता है, ऐसा बोल के they watch web series. There was a catch. So people say lot many work is there, and they're doing only watching web series every day, every night. Amazon, then that Netflix was there, then that Hotstar is there, and people are getting their earning from that. Who? Not us. We are full to watch them, but they are earning like anything. So they are happy now because of us. So that is the first. Okay. So apart from that, many of the people they think that they go to bed. So some people they go to bed in the night time because of all the time and scheduling has changed. So some people go in the bed at night time. Some people go on bed in the morning time also they go. But what they do, they just go to bed and they just think. On which angle should I sleep? Then I will get a good sleep, because they are not sleeping enough. All people are not sleeping. I am telling you, people. I am watching this, and this is very much wrong, I feel. We should follow a healthy lifestyle, right? There is so much of love, and likes. So everything is going on. Okay, so that is very much true once again. So what I was telling, this metro people, metro junction mall people, they are doing a very much good thing to all of you. Yeah, I'm telling you. So there are several sessions which make you happy. Okay, so you will get happy because they'll be teaching you lot of lessons. You will get lot of things to learn from them. Okay, so they will teach you how to make that dessert and pasta recipe and lot many things. Then apart from that, there will be very much valuable thing they'll be teaching you, and they'll be guiding you, and they will they'll be giving you tips and all. Okay, so that is that will happen because all the qualified doctors from Fortis Hospital, they'll be coming for all the session. Like nephrologist is there, MD physician is there, cardiologist is there, psychiatrist is there. So all these people will guide you what to do and what not to do in this lockdown situation, and what to follow if that COVID-19 will occur. Okay, so these all things you will get to know from them. I am just giving you all the hints what will happen here. Okay. Okay, so how many people are there now? 5 people are there. I can read it. Okay. So people, there are several things that I am just I am just doing that. Nothing like corona. Nothing. No, nothing. So yeah. So 4 people are there now watching me. You know this Facebook live, this go automatically, you know. Yeah, nothing it stops. It just go live automatically. AUTOMATICALLY automatically. I'm telling you. Very much easy. So I'll be drinking water once again. Just give me time. I'm here only for you. Yeah, I know. In this hot weather, the climate is very nice. It's reverse. We are rise to climate. Climate is not nice. Climate is just getting hotter and hotter. I'm telling you. Okay, people. So I just want you all to remember. This. I guess most people who are listening to me, they stay at the central side, right? Now I'll be asking you questions and you have to answer me, right? So many of the people, they'll be staying at this central side, right? So I want to know that who all are staying central side? Wave your hand. So there are 3 sides. Harbour side is there, central side is there, then western side is there. 3 sides are there. Tell me. Ayyo. Lot of eating happening in the afternoon. That's why it's happening. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So one people I got to know that she is staying at the central side. 2 people, she is also staying center side. So who all others are there? I want to know. Yeah, we'll wait for them. Let them answer first. You might be thinking I got hanged, but I am not hanged. Okay, so I'll be continuing with that. Okay, so I was telling you that many of the people, they stay at central. Roshan, okay, very good. So people are reading and people are listening. That I got to know. That was my idea, strategy. I want to know who all are listening and who all are reading and what all things are happening here. Okay. Okay, so the thing is, many of the people they stay at Andheri side. Okay, and I'll be telling you because there was a time. Okay, so with drinking you also have to eat, so don't forget. So there was one time when people used to travel. Yeah, people used to travel. You won't believe there was one time people used to travel, and I will be telling you because as per my age now, I know all the things. So I guess it was back in history that people used to travel a lot, and they'll be travel from train only. Yeah, we used to take that train and all these things. So they were traveling, and that time I've noticed that everyone was doing that dhakka bukki thing. Dhakka bukki. They were pushing, and I want to get into that train. That other people, I want to get into that train. ऐसा करके धक्का बुक्की करता था. I know this was happening, and there all the sweat and all everything was happening, and they were pushing, like Hrithik Roshan they were doing. They were pushing. So this also things were happening, and mostly I have heard that cases from that Nala Sopara, then Virar and all, then Andheri side. These all things were mostly happening. I have heard that some people got fall from train. That was not a good thing. That people keep pushing and all. But I am telling you, these all things were happening in long back. Long back, it was happening. I don't know. It was happening. So now we are, I don't know in which period. So we also travel a lot nowadays, from hall to kitchen, from kitchen to bedroom. If someone has a 2 bedrooms, so other bedroom they go. Sometimes bathroom also they don't go. So our traveling is different. But that time people were traveling long distance. Yeah. We are doing now only social distance, but they were doing long distance traveling thing. Okay. So we have short distance now, but only when we don't go out, but when we go out, we maintain social distance. Some people, some don't note. So note this down, and I'll be telling you because. So there is one song based on the Dhakka Bukki thing. Huh? The song is like people go mad. Okay, people go mad. They don't get a place to sit. They don't even get place to stand. They just traveling day and night traveling. Some people are traveling 2 hours. Some people are traveling 1.5 hours. Some don't travel because they stay near the office only. Yeah, these all things are happening. So that time that is very much struggling life like. So that was the time. So based on that, I have one of the song. And there is one gimmick I am telling you. When I sing now, my voice get modulated. It becomes normal. Yeah, it becomes very much normal. I'll be telling you. Here's the song then. Okay. And I guess you have heard this song also. Okay. So the song is fully dedicated to Western Line people. Western Line people, so they keep on pushing, they sweat and all, they rush, crowd and everything. So these all things are happening. So this song is dedicated to them, and this song is based on that era when people used to travel. Oh my God, I don't know how people used to travel. So that era, that zone, this song is okay. And my voice will be modulated. My voice will be normal now. Okay, just wear it. Okay, for some time. दीवाना है मुझको घर जाना, दीवाना है मुझको घर जाना, कब से खड़े है ट्रेन का इंतजार, कब आएगी ट्रेन अंधेरी वीरान, कब से खड़े ट्रेन का इंतजार, कब आएगी ट्रेन अंधेरी वीरान, के जितना भी लड़ता हूँ, कि उतना ही डरता है दिल। अंदाज दिखलाते भीड़ में आके, सांसें गवाते हुए, अंदाज दिखलाते भीड़ में आके, सांसें गवाते हुए। Now there is a gimmick once again. I'll be telling you. आते होंगे हिम्मत के साथ जान बचाते हुए, आ भी जा। No, there is a change in that. When you push someone from the train, what he does, and the other people who are standing in the opposite side, what they expect, that come down. So there is a change. उतर भी जा, बाहर आ भी जा, दीवाना है मुझको घर जाना। Okay, so that was it. Okay, just let me know how many people like this thing. It was happening back history, long back. I don't know. It was so much difficult to travel. Yeah, you liked it, people? I saw some some people they are using that. I saw something. Kumar Sanu. No, I don't do that, Kumar Sanu. This song was actually sung by Vinod Rathod. Yeah, Vinod Rathod. Yeah, I know. So these all things were happening long back. So when I'm speaking about that western side, now I'll be speaking something about the central side. How many people stay at central side? Let me know. How many people are staying at central side? You just tell me till that time I'll eat, because eating is very much important, drinking is very much important. You can sing to, oh my god, I don't know. Acha, you are talking about me, okay. Sorry. Eating is very much important, drinking is very much important, but not that drinking. That drinking, it happened with that Q thing, Q. You don't have to do that. That is very much wrong. Why to unnecessarily waste your money, when you have this thing free, normal water, you can drink that. Okay. So these all things are very much necessary. Yeah, I know. So keep drinking water, keep eating, don't overeat, and do some exercise and all. So this will increase your immunity. Not this, but immunity power will increase definitely. So now I'll be talking those who are staying at central middle part. So now you might have heard that now I want your reply or something, comments. Okay, so this will be now some interactive session will happen. Okay, so some people, they fight. Yeah, in train people fight because they don't have that 2 hours of traveling. So what should we do? How to travel 2 hours? Just traveling won't give them anything. So they want something how to use that time. So they are fighting. They have started fighting now. So fighting, and while fighting, they keep on saying, "मैं तेरे को देख लेगा." What to see now? मैं तेरे को देख लेगा. अरे, how you will see me? You can see me, yeah. You can see me now, but while fighting, they keep on saying, "मैं तेरे को देख लेगा, मैं तेरे को देख ले." तेरे को मालूम है कौन सा एरिया से आता है? This all the words they are using. I stay at Kalyan. Oh my God. I stay at Dadar. Oh my God. I stay at Kalwa. So with all these dhamkis and all, the people start fighting with each other. And that is very much wrong. But what to do? we have to observe them. So some people understand the situation, so some people keep quiet. Some people, they doesn't understand the situation, so they fight, fight, but they don't sit quiet. So some other people, they also join them, that let's fight together, this is our fight, we should fight. So they start fighting, and there's a horrible situation that other people, they want to get down at Kalyan station or Thane station, they can't get down because this fighting is happening. It's all people fighting all the time, fighting. Okay, so now my other song will be based on this fight, where they will say that मैं इधर से आया, मैं उधर से आया. Yeah, they will start speaking all this ki, what I have told you just now. So this song will be based on that. Okay, I'll be telling you. Okay, now again the voice will change. I know, again the voice will change. One minute, this wire is going somewhere else. Now it's fine. All people are there, some people are left, I guess. Don't go left, right, come straight right here. Facebook Live is here. Okay, so people stay tuned. So there will be a song coming now. Okay, and this will be very much interesting. Who people are staying at this central side, they will enjoy this song, I am telling you. Okay, so this song is like that. Now one of the person here who is traveling from Baikala, what he will say. So there is a fight between Baikala, Dadar, Kalwa and everything. Central side people are fighting now in the train. Let's see how they fight. Baikala se मैं आया अंदर दादर में तुम्हारे, Baikala se मैं आया अंदर दादर में तुम्हारे, कलवा मेरा नी आजा तुझको पुकारे, कलवा मेरा नी आजा तुझको पुकारे. कलवे के आगे पीछे थाने और मुंबरा, दीवा जंक्शन जाना नहीं चले जा माटूंगा. कलवे के आगे पीछे थाने और मुंबरा, दीवा जंक्शन जाना नहीं चले जा माटूंगा. अपने जैसे तेवर तू दादर में ही दिखा रे, अपने जैसे तेवर तू दादर में ही दिखा रे, कलवा मेरा नी आजा तुझको पुकारे, कलवा मेरा नी आजा तुझको पुकारे. So this is the real situation I am telling you. Yeah. So someone stay here, someone, and they keep on fighting, but don't fight. Now see, because of that fight, people just remembering the fight, but what to do now? We don't travel much. We just travel within our family, because we travel within our home. We don't go out. That is very much wrong. Okay. So as far now, how many people are listening? Let me see. Yeah. So all are my people, all are my family, and we can always go live. Okay, so don't worry on that. So now there is another situation. There, all the situation is there because the lockdown situations are coming, conditions are changing, new things are coming. We have to follow. Everything is necessary. Everything is important. We don't have to throw anything out. So once again, people, I just want to remember you all. We are with Metro Junction Mall, and I didn't told you my name. There was a main reason for this. I didn't told you my name. My name is Parag Gaiwat. But right now, yeah, you have to bath daily. Keep bathing. Otherwise, this situation will happen. Yeah, you keep scratching and all. Yeah. Don't do that. Wrong. Okay, so now the situation was like, how many people you try to go out in lockdown when everything is like strictly, they said that you have to follow strictly. How many people they don't go out? Let me know. How many people? It's not hung. That was my gimmick, strategy, idea. Okay. So now the situation is, many people they do go out, and some people they stay at home only, because they understand the importance why to stay at home, because there is a lot of scarcity is happening, and also we have to cooperate with and we have to save each other, we have to take care of each other, and that is very much necessary nowadays. Okay. So what I was telling you, so there is a situation now ki, security guards, the security guards, they are very much important for all the societies, and they are taking very much of care now. Okay, so security people, they what they do, they sit at one place, and they for some time they keep watching all the movements, who are coming in, who are going out, and who are not supposed to go out, and who are not supposed to come in. So they are keeping an eye. So while doing all this, they are also keeping an eye on everything. That extra mind is working, and they find some time to sleep also. So we have security guards, we call them bahadurs, we call them I call them friend also. So these all things are happening. So this is the situation where a security guard starts singing. So they also want to sing, so they also want to understand the how to use the time, how to utilize the time and all. Okay, so they'll be singing, and I just found out what they are singing. So this song will be depend on like they'll be watching what all khatras dangerous situations are there, then what all things they have to take care of, that keep watching what all things are happening out. बाहर क्या चल रहा है सब देखना है उनको, आँख रखना है, आँख. They have to guard na, so they have to take care of that. Then they have to keep their mouth shut sometimes, because some people can उनको डरा धमका सकते हैं and everything, they can be scared and everything, and so these all things are happening. But nowadays security is very much important, because the situation is going very much worse out. I don't know what will happen further, but this is the song where that security guard, the watchman, will sing the watchman song for you. Okay, let's start with that. And this is how the song goes on. Okay, again there will be a gimmick, small gimmick, my voice will change now, modulation will be happen. Okay. खतरा जहां मुझको दिखे. Can you hear me? Let me know. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you clearly? Let me know. It is very much important nowadays. Can you hear me? Okay. So I will yeah, okay. One second, I'll start for you. Okay. खतरा जहां मुझको दिखे, चौखट है वो आंखें मेरी. Now again. चोरों को थी खबरें मिली, खामोशियाँ ज़्यादा मेरी। जब से बढ़े उनके कदम, चलने लगी दुनिया मेरी। मेरे मोहल्ले में जगह शर्मा जी की काली थी, देखा वहाँ पे आज पुलिस का पहरा है। मैं भटकता हुआ सा एक बहादुर हूँ, जो तेरे कॉम्प्लेक्स में आके ठहरा है। So this all bad things can happen. I am just giving you hint and all. I don't know. So I just want to tell you that while even if you people you thinking out that I have to go out and it is very much necessary, at that time you just have to keep in mind that even if you go out now, you should need to be get very much alert. Okay, so someone can steal from you, someone can jump on you, everything can happen nowadays. So you just have to be alert. And this song was something based on that watchman will sing something will be going on in his mind. I don't know. You just have to be attentive, you just have to be careful, you just have to be alert. So all those things you have to do now. And these all things I want to say as of now. So I'll be coming once again that people will display. Okay, so our people so there are people they are working hard behind all these program and sessions and everything. So they'll be telling you, they'll be announcing you my next session. And you have to keep laughing, but you have to laugh out loud. Okay, loud huh? L-O-U-D, loud. Okay, so what now you have to do is that you have to wait for the session. What else you can do? You are at home, you are not doing anything, but be creative, start making something, start cooking something, start helping people, start something. Don't see it alone. Okay, do something creative and enjoy yourself. And I'll be telling you one thing that keep in mind: what you think you will become. There is a very good thought from Buddha. I follow that. Okay, so what you think you will become, so you have to think and you have to go ahead in life. Don't worry, everything is there in place. You just have to start grabbing things. Just believe in yourself. Okay, beta. बच्चा लोग, I guess you people have enjoyed. Now there is a time I have to मेरे को पानी भरने का है, पानी आ जाता है ना. So पानी is very much important. Just now I told you. So पानी सिर्फ 2 घंटा आता है घर पे. So 2 घंटा पानी आता है. फिर मेरे को थोड़ी देर के बाद ना I have to just go in that market thing and कड़ी पत्ता लाना है. कड़ी पत्ता, I love कड़ी पत्ता and all. वो 3 बार कड़ी पत्ता I love. So I'll go for that. Okay, and okay. Stay tuned, and once again we'll meet. Okay, so that was really nice of you all people. You are listening and you are keen to listen, and learning is a process. So Metro Junction people, they put all the sessions here and you can go through the list. So these all things happening for you people, for your benefits. Okay, so thank you people, that was really nice to talk to you, and I love if more people will join. Okay, so next time just call out all your friends, your family members, bachcha log, chota bachcha log, also involve them. So everything will go fine and everything will go hand in hand, but in social distance. Don't put your hand in hand. I was just taking the chance of saying that not to do this. Okay, so that was that's it from my side. Okay, so I'll be signing off people. Thank you so much for such a lovely time, and it was really a good session. And no, thank you bachcha log. So sweet bachcha log, thank you for saying that excellent thing, and thank you so much. Okay, bye, God bless bachcha log. Bye, bye. Take care, take care. I guess I am done. Who will be putting this off? I don't know. Achha, I have to do. Atmanirbhar. Atmanirbhar is the word. So I have to do everything. I have to do it on my own. नहीं तो बच्चा लोग मेरे को हेल्प करता ना ये बंद करने के लिए. So no one is helping me. So I'll be Atmanirbhar. Okay, so I'll do it. Bye. Take care. Bye.